take the revision of chapter.
This call is now being recorded.
Within 1 minute. So last lecture we started the automation. Okay, different types of automation, advantages, limitations. Okay, advantages, disadvantages, different applications of automation. Okay, types of automation. Basically, three types are there. Fixed automation is nothing but the hard automation, programmable automation, or soft automation, and flexible automation. Okay, in detail we discussed in previous lecture. Okay, then flexible automation. Okay, according to the user's requirement or machine's requirement. Okay, whenever you will give the program to that particular machine, okay, the machine will follow that operation or that manufacturing according to your input. Okay, this is nothing but the automation with the help of different machineries or different robots. Okay, in manufacturing industry, the automation is very important. As a mass production is required. Okay, automation advantages we also studied. Initial cost is also high for automation. Like this, we studied already. Okay, now, automation and CAD. What is the relation in between automation and CAD? Okay, whatever the program, whatever the product we can manufacture or we can draw in human effort are to increase the accuracy. Okay, to reduce the human or less human effort is required for the automation. Okay, it will give the better quality. Okay, or mass production also. Now, a relation in between automation and CAD CAM, whatever the different product, different files. Okay, how to transfer one form of product design to another part. Okay, this is nothing but the automation relation in between automation and CAD CAM system. Okay, now group technology. Okay, what is a group technology? Group technology is an approach of manufacturing in which similar parts are there. Okay, similar parts are identified and grouped together. Okay, last lecture we discussed one example. Suppose engine assembly is there. Okay, whatever the required documents are, required tools are there. Okay, different materials are there, different parts are there. Okay, that we have to keep in certain area. Okay, to find out the according to requirement. Okay, now this is also about the group technology. Similar now metric shape will be same. Okay, size and according to the manufacturing process. Because any object we can manufacture in CNC also. Okay, NC machine also. Okay, this is nothing but the similar part family. Okay, our manufacturing process is same. Whenever if you consider the casting production. Okay, manufacturing production. Okay, in casting, in forging, whatever the now whatever the object will be in forging operation, whatever the operation in injection molding. Okay, whatever the operation in casting. Okay, now this is nothing but the manufacturing process is same. Now that all components will be in same group technology. Okay, or in same group. Now also we studied the different part families. Okay, processing steps are similar. Okay, what is nothing but the part family process step is also similar. And this is also important factor for the group technology. Okay, suppose if you see in this image, okay, nut and bolts are there, different shaft type nuts are there. Okay, according to the your, I think this is a fan assembly. If you might be seeing that. Okay, you might be knowing that. Now, the group technology core methods are there: usual inspection, component parts, okay, production flow analysis, and part classification. This is also we discussed in last lecture. Okay, so this is also one of the part. Okay, high-tech machine having different parts are there. Okay, so this is a group technology type. Is the hydraulic. If you take the JCB or if you take the any milking machine, okay, whatever the whenever the hydraulic machine operation is there. Okay, now this type of valves, this type of nut bolts, these type of pipes, okay, sockets, different gear, okay, different nozzles are there, different types of stepped gears are there, okay. These all will be included in the same part. Also, one another part, what is the manufacturing process? Now, in picture showing, all these manufacturing part are made by CNC machine. Why? Because we can understand the finishing of that material. Okay, now, according to also manufacturing process, you can uh, combine them, okay, in terms of the group technology. Okay, so am I audible? Anyone tell me? Hello. For one. Okay, okay, okay. So thank you. So today we have to start the part family. What is part family? Part family is
Yes,
also
sir.
one of the part of group technology. Okay, part family. What is the definition of part family? Okay, part family, the group of components having same attributes. Okay, what are the attributes? The group of components having same attributes. Attributes is nothing but shape, size, and the manufacturing process as like previous. Okay, as like group technology, because part family is also one of the part of group technology. Okay, now part may not be exactly same but very close. Okay, as per our requirement, if you suppose consider different nut and bolt industry, okay, or according to nut and bolt, okay, that nut and bolt will also match in everywhere. Okay, suppose you are manufacturer nut in India, in bolt in another country, okay, they will also match. Why? Because the something standard is there. Okay, what is the standardization? What is the codification? What is the dimensions? Okay, according to that, the part family will work. Okay. Now, part may not look like same, but their manufacturing process can be same. Is it right? Manufacturing process might be same. Okay, or different. Okay, part may not be exactly same, but very close to each other. Okay, according to the dimension, according to shape, according to structure. Okay, according to the weight also. Weight is also one of the criteria. Okay. Now, suppose one example is there. The what will say that the gold materials are there. Okay, or काय म्हणतो रे आपण त्याला दागिने. Okay, in also gold refinery system. Okay, now different types of products are there. Okay, according to the same structure, same size, but weight may be also change. Okay, according to weight may vary. Okay, now these are all the elements. Okay, which will be included in the part family. Okay, now part may not look like same, but their manufacturing process can same. Now, a group of parts that possess similarities in the geometric shape and size or in the process step used in their manufacture. Okay, same manufacturing process may be same. Part families are the central feature of the group technology. Okay. What is the group technology? According to shape, size, and the different attributes, is nothing but the group technology. Now, part. Suppose if you consider the nut and bolt system. Okay, in also given image also in this slide. Okay, nut and bolt system is showing. Okay, bolt is showing. What is the difference in between first bolt and last bolt? Okay, so dimension. Okay, whatever the diameter, whatever the height, okay, whatever the threads, okay, this may also vary, but all these nuts in same part family. Why? Because the manufacturing process of this nut bolt is okay, manufacturing process is same. Now whenever size and different shape, here the shape is also same, shape is also same, but the only dimension is also not one. Okay, okay, now why part family is important? Anyone? Because in any industry, okay, now this is very difficult to industry to manufacture different point at a same time. Why? Because of for different parts, the different machineries are required. Okay, but in part family, the procedure is same, product is same, only dimension will change. That will be get very easy to manufacture, and the manufacturing process will also give the maximum production. Okay, this is also one of the advantages of the part family. Okay, why? Suppose we will take one example. Okay, one example is Hero Honda bike. Sorry, Hero bike or Honda bike. Okay, any bike you can take example. Okay, Now, whether that hero industry manufacture all the parts, okay, no. Why? Because of, if you consider four-wheeler, okay, if you consider the four-wheeler, near about 3,000, 3.5 thousand components are there in four-wheeler. Okay, you might be knowing. Okay, and in two-wheeler also near about 1,000 components are there. Okay, all these components after the assembly, by using all these components, your vehicle will be ready. Now this is very important. Okay, for the part family. Now this is very difficult for one industry to manufacture all these components in one stage, or in one place. Due to that, the in MIDC area, lot of companies are there. Okay, each and every company will manufacture different parts. Okay, now same part म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस आपण MIDC मध्ये बघितलं असेल तर तिथे एकसारखी इंडस्ट्री कधी नसते बघा. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट, म्हणजे प्रत्येक इंडस्ट्री कोण शाफ्ट, वन ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री विल मॅन्युफॅक्चर शाफ्ट. Okay, one of the industry will manufacture tire, one of the manufacturing industry will manufacture design part also. Okay, for example, one precision industry. Okay, precision cam and shaft, which is a very familiar or immense industry in our Solapur MID. Okay, you might be knowing precision cam shaft. Okay, now what is the role of that industry? Okay, only manufacture the cam and shaft, and that cam and shaft, okay, manufactured by that precision, okay, in Solapur MIDC will be transferred to every world. Okay, because this is a MNC company. Each and whatever the maximum number of companies will use the cam and shaft from the Solapur MID. Why? This is also nothing but MID, MNC company. Okay, now for that purpose, no industry is manufacture all the points at one place or at one area. This is somewhat difficult. Why? Because of different machineries are required for the area of that industry. This is make it also difficult. Okay, for that purpose, the part family is very important concept in our manufacturing sector. Okay, according to example we have taken Hero Honda bike, okay, or any four-wheeler bike. Okay, a lot of components are there, near about 1,000 to 3,000, 4,000 components are there. Okay, now like that, what is the role of that Hero Honda industry or Maruti, whatever the Tata industry, Kirloskar? Okay, now this role of that industry to only assemble. Okay, whatever the important part. Now engine may come from the Cummins India, okay, or Kirloskar India. Shaft will come from the precision shaft. Okay, tire will come from the MRF, CAD. Okay, lot of industries are there. Now this is also very important part. Okay, now only one part manufacturing is very easy. Okay, for that purpose, the part family concept also get very important. Okay, now the see the next point. The 10 parts are different in size and shape, but quite similar in terms of manufacturing as shown in figure. Okay, all parts are machined from the cylindrical stock by turning operation. Some parts require drilling and milling. Okay, according to manufacturing process, we can divide this part in part family. Okay, now next. Okay, now part family concept is over. Now the classification. Okay, now let's see the advantages and disadvantages of this. Okay, I think this slide is missing. Okay, now what is the advantages and disadvantages of the group technology? Okay, so see here, advantages and disadvantages of group technology, I will tell you. Okay, the reduction in number of drawing. Okay, this is a very important advantage. Okay, why? Because one industry can manufacture one item only. Okay, one production only. Okay, definitely the drawing will also required only one, or number of drawing will be reduced. Okay, reduction in time also. Why? Because of changing work in progress time, lead time will also decreases. Okay, in group technology. Okay, that industry or worker in that industry will focus on only one product. Okay, due to that the time will also minimized. Okay, reduction in time will also easy for the manufacturing. So this is also third advantage. Easy modification of modification in design is also easy. Okay, because only we are concentrating on only one product. No, reduction in setup and production time, improvement machine loading. Okay, machine loading time, lead time is also reduced. Work in progress inventory, this is also one of the advantages. Simplified productive scheduling. What is scheduling? Scheduling in, let's say, whatever the timetable, okay, of that manufacturing. Okay, now scheduling, to draw the scheduling, to define the scheduling, this is also beneficial, okay, for the group technology. Easy identification and reduction manufacturing lead time leads to automated process planning. Okay, automated process planning, whatever, suppose uh, in our workshop also, in our college workshop, one CNC and VMC machine is always in production condition. Okay, always production is also there. Okay, which type of production? One cylindrical part is there. Okay, according to the industrial requirement, our workshop in charges are manufacturing them. Okay, by using the CNC and VMC machine. Okay, now for there also the process planning is same. Okay, who is in charge of that workshop? BD Gaikwad sir. Okay, but what is the role of BD Gaikwad sir? Only give one time instruction. Okay, and that worker will do his work, okay, according to the guidelines from the authority. Okay, now for that purpose also the process planning is very important. Okay, sorry, group technology is also important. ओके, म्हणजे प्रत्येक वेळेस त्या वर्करला सांगा हे बरोबर आहे का, हे चूक आहे का, नाही, काही गरज नाही. एकदा जर तुम्ही सांगितलं व्हॉट एव्हर द प्रोसेस काय आहे, ओके, दे विल ऑल्सो मॅनेज इट सेल्फ. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द ऍडव्हान्टेजेस. नाव रिडक्शन इन फ्लोर स्पेस रिक्वायर्ड. Okay, as per our discussion, area is also less required. Why? Because of number of machinery will be reduced. Okay, definitely floor area will also reduce. Less material movement, definitely. Okay, less material handling effort, more flexibility, less number of defects, more precise parts. Okay, because we are focusing only on similar family type of products. Okay, these are the advantages of the group technology. Okay, okay, so our next point after group technology is classification and the codification. Okay, are you understanding? Anyone? Hello? Okay, within 1 minute I will check, okay, how many students are here present. Okay, so codification and is also very important part. Okay, and a very interesting part. Okay, so before that, okay, so all of you, please paste your roll numbers in message box. Okay, I will take attendance here also, because like some difficulty was there. Okay, for while taking attendance. Okay, so me, Suraj More.
Yes, sir.
From when you have started the lecture attending? I think this is your first.
No, sir.
Okay. Suraj More, I got it. Kumar Shraddha, Samarth. Sound company is very good. Okay, all are present every lecture. Deshmukh, Yash, Milind. Okay, don't leave meeting. Okay, I will also take attendance at the end of this lecture. Okay, this is for the tentative. I have taken the message. Okay, so don't leave. Very interesting part we are going to study. Okay, classification, codification of part families. Okay, Irfan Mulani. Okay, no problem. So our next point is classification and codification. Okay, in automation. Okay, now what is the classification? Classification and codification of material. Okay, जर आपल्या बघा सिंपल एक्झाम्पल, आपल्याला प्रत्येकाचं नाव वेगळं आहे, बरोबर का? नाव वेगळं असेल, गाव वेगळं असेल, आडनाव वेगळं असेल. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू अवॉइड द डिस्टर्बन्स. ओके, म्हणजे बघा, जर नाव जर आपल्याला नसतं तर काय झालं असतं रे? इट विल ऑल्सो व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. ओके, codification is also to give the name. Okay, whatever the product, whatever the material, whatever the uh, product or whatever the item required for the manufacturing. Okay, or in nature also. Okay, now this is also nothing but a codification. Okay, now what is the classification? Okay, material can be classified in raw materials are there. Okay, consumable stores are there, consumable stores there. Okay, components are different, components are there, different spare parts are there. Okay, different tools are there. Okay, now for that purpose the different material are there. Okay, uh, for to give the nomenclature to them is nothing but the codification, and classification is nothing but the different types of there. Okay, different types are there for the manufacturing. If you consider the manufacturing industry. Okay, what are the attributes are there? Okay, raw material. Okay, which type of raw material? After machining, whatever the raw material. Okay, whatever the काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, scrap will be there. Okay, now according to our requirement. Okay, classification will be there. Different types of consumables are there. Okay, components are there. Different types of components, different machineries are there. Okay, different spare parts are there. Different tools are there. Okay, now according to that the nature, quality, and the utility. Okay, according to the nature, quality, and utility is nothing but classification. Okay, we can classify, we can divide, we can identify such a product, such a different basis like nature, quality, and the utility is nothing but the classification. Okay, what is the codification? Okay, different items require the nomenclature. Okay, for purpose of identification and the convenience of the storage. Okay, and issue of the material. Those who are an experience of industrial working. Okay, they might be knowing. Okay, what okay, to keep the record, okay, to follow the rules and regulations, to follow the schedule, to follow the scheduling, whatever. For that purpose, the nomenclature is also very important. For that purpose, the codification part is also required. Okay, codification is nothing but the nomenclature. Okay, now all the items are grouped so that the each item of stores will be continuously codified. Okay, this is somewhat very difficult. Okay, for the assembly line also. Okay, in assembly line, the codification is very important. Okay, now for example, what is the example of the classification? Consumables, components are there, tools are there. Okay, thus material are classified based on the nature, utility, and the quality of material. This is all about the codification. Okay, sorry friends. So now why the codification is required? Okay, if you take some example, okay, our mobile. If you take example of mobile, okay, now mobile is having some codification. Okay, some IMEI number, whatever the battery is there. Okay, SIM card is also there. There for the different names are there. Okay, according to the requirement. Now suppose if you are having any type of machines in your home also. Okay, those are farmers. Okay, different chap cutters are there for the crop cutting. Okay, in every farmer required. Okay, STP machine is there, for the spraying machine is there. Okay, chap cutter will be there. Okay, now different bells are we are using. Okay, or in kitchen product also, one of the mixer is also there. Okay, different types of walls are there, different types of nut and bolts are there. Okay, now if you go through maintenance, okay, definitely they will check what is the codification of that product. Okay, what is the size of that product? Okay, what is the number of that belt? Okay, whatever the V belt or flat belt will be there. Okay, according to the codification, according to the number you can purchase them. Okay, without any maintenance at your original level. Okay, you can also change belt. This is not very difficult. Okay, to change the belt ourselves. Okay, why the fitter is also there. Okay, there is no any requirement of the uh, person. Okay, who are having the that storage. Okay, किंवा गॅरेज कामगाराला आपण प्रत्येक वेळेस घरी आणत नाही. व्हेकल वगैरे खराब झाले. ओके, आपल्याला माहित असते ते व्हॉट एव्हर द प्लग. ओके, समजा प्लग केला गाडीचा मध्येच वाटत चालतं चालतं. ओके, we know what is the codification. Okay, what is the size of that plug. Okay, clutch wire. Okay, different grip wire, whatever. Okay, and this is also classified by using the codification. Okay, and this is very important for the electronic components also. Okay, for example, your for the guarantee and warranty also, that codification code number is very important. Okay, now this is also codification. Okay, for the purpose of identification and issuing of material. Okay, each item is given a distinct name. Such process is called as codification. Okay, now this is a definition. Now types of codification. Here, there are four types of codification. Numeric codification. Okay, numeric codification is nothing but whatever the numeric value 1 to 0. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, these are the numerical values. Okay, now alphabetical codification also. Okay, alphabetical codification is also A B C D. Alphanumerical codification is also there. Okay, decimal codifications are there. Okay, now we will take one example also here. Okay, so now very best example for the codification. If you consider your PAN card number, okay, or your vehicle number. Okay, vehicle RTO number is also there. Okay, MS Sierra, QR, whatever the this is nothing but the for the identification. Okay, that code is used. Okay, what is image? What is the image is nothing but Maharashtra. Okay, UP. What is UP Uttar Pradesh? Okay, Kerala KL. Okay, Goa Jew. Now this is a nomenclature to identify from where this vehicle is. Okay, or whatever the vehicle from which state or which area. Okay, in which district. Okay, to identify the vehicle or in manufacturing industry also. Okay, which type of material. Okay, whether the component will be fitted while assembling our product. Okay, codification is also important. Okay, different types of codification, numerical are there, alphabetical are there, alphanumerical codifications are there. Okay, now also advantages. Okay, now why codification is required. Okay, so quick and easy identification. Okay, for the quick and easy identification, codification will give help to you everyone. Okay, proper material control also. Okay, saving in material handling time. Okay, elimination of the changes of the wrong issues. Okay, why? Because of we know. Okay, whatever the which number is suitable for that machine. Okay, whatever the diameter will be there. Okay, nut and bolts are also there. Okay, now elimination of chances of wrong issues will be also avoided. Okay, by using the codification. Now, one example we have taken here, the basic structure of the OPTIS part classification and coding system, or OPTIS. Okay, OPTIS is one system. Okay, as like one industry. Is there? Okay, given by the OPTIS industry. Okay, OPTIS industries. Now, what is the description? Okay, this is example. Okay, for the understanding, which type of codification will be used in industry. Okay, so basic structure of the OPTIS part. Okay, classification and the coding system. See here. Now these are the digit. First column is having digit. Okay, digit is nothing but whatever the numerical alphabetical value will be there. Okay, now whatever the description. What is the meaning of one? Okay, suppose I will take one example here. Okay, suppose this is one example. Okay, example of OPTIS classification. Okay, the part coded 20801. Okay, this is the name of that part. Whatever the part is there. Okay, so our automobile industry, our automotive part is there. Okay, which is having code number 20801. Okay, now what is the meaning? See here, Now the first digit is says that the part, okay, has LD ratio, okay, length or diameter ratio, whatever the length to diameter ratio showing the first digit. Okay, now what is the meaning of second digit? Okay, external shape element is there. Okay, whatever the external internal shapes are there. Okay, now third digit showing the operating thread. Okay, which type of thread is there? Okay, and they definitely uh, they have given the standard edge. Okay, one is for the internal thread. Okay, whatever the V types thread. Okay, inclined thread. Okay, for the two, whatever the digit they have standardized first of all. Okay, now now fourth digit is zero. Okay, what is the value of fourth digit? No surface machining. Okay, no surface machining is the zero is nothing but the no surface machining. Okay, whatever the one, two, three will be there different types of machining. Okay, turning, drilling. Okay, different types of machining process will be added here. Okay, and last is a part is axial. Okay, whatever the part is axial or rotational, whatever the non-rotational. Okay, this may be also included. Now, this is also one of the example taken we have here in optics technology. Okay, optics is one of the industry. Okay, or optics is one of the classification methodology. Okay, now here we have taken one example. Uh, so here the first digit showing the whatever the length and diameter is there. Okay, rotational product will be there, non-rotational product will be there. Okay, now where the rotational product? Okay, in CNC machine or in lathe machine also, the rotational operations will be there. Okay, where the non-rotational? Okay, where the non-rotational? Whatever the forging. Okay, whatever the casting, this is nothing but non-rotational. Okay, now what is the meaning of second digit? Okay, if you see here, now digit number two. Okay, what is the meaning of digit number two? The main shape. Okay, what is the structure of main shape? Okay, now digit number three, rotational machining. What is the rotational internal shape element or rotational machining or main bore rotational machining? Okay, now this can be classified. Okay, what is the value of digit number four? Okay, friends, this is only one example. Okay, one industry example. Okay, we have taken. Okay, what is the values are there? Digit 4 showing the plane surface machining. Digit 5 showing the additional holes or teeth are there or forging operation, forming operation will be there. Okay, which type of forming operation will be there? Okay, now digit 5 is also another value from 0 to 10 value. Okay, sorry, 0 to 9 value. Okay, now different entities will be there. Okay, inside that digit number 5 also. Okay, now here the supplementary codes are also there. Okay, now basically this operating system is divided into three parts. Okay, so first part is one part. Okay, now digit number one is part first. Okay, now second part is digit number two to digit number five, and last to the digit number 9. Okay, now this is a standardization of the optics technology. Okay, now supplementary code from the digit number 6, digit number 7, digit number 8. Now what is the meaning of digit number 6? Okay, now digit number 6 is having dimension. Okay, different dimensions are there of that certain particular object. Okay, 7 digits showing the material. Okay, which type of material is there? Okay, whatever different types of material, ferrous, non-ferrous, whatever the plastics are there, uh, whether fiber also there. Okay, composite will be there. Okay, according to the material type. Okay, that digit also showing the which material is used in that product. Okay, now number 8 digit showing the original shape of the raw material. Okay, whatever the raw material we have taken, and the 9 last digit is showing the accuracy. Okay, whatever the accuracy from the higher authority. Okay, accuracy after the analysis of that product. Okay, they will also give. Okay, now as per this chart. Okay, they have taken one example from the industrial example. Okay, digit number one is having rotational or non-rotational. Okay, digit number two is for the external shape. Okay, in that external shape, what is the value of 0 to 9? Okay, now digit number second, 0 value shows that smooth or no shape element is there. Okay, one value is showing no shape element. Okay, two digit is showing, see here vertically. Okay, in second digit, okay, digit number two, different types of values there, 0 to 9. Okay, now what is the meaning of 0 to 1, 0 to 9? 0 smooth or no shape element, no shape elements, threads are there. Okay, functional grooves are there. Okay, these are for the stepped to 1 inch. Okay, and another part from 4 to 9 is 4 to 6 is stepped to both ends. Okay, whatever the step for 1 end to 2 end. Okay, suppose you here they have taken one example of the shaft. Okay, 1-ended, 2-ended. Okay, now this type of codification will be used in the industry. Okay, am I audible? Hello, is it clear? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Number 4 digits. Okay, now 4 digit is having different types of nomenclature. Okay, from the 0 to 9. Okay, plain surface machining. Which type of machining will be there? Okay, 5 digits showing auxiliary holes and gear teeth. Okay, according to the product. Okay, that example will not be understood here. Okay, why? Because of in front of our no any object is there. Okay, whenever you will be in industry, okay, definitely this concept will clear. Okay, and this is only nomenclature. We talk material. Okay, also already we have studied that what is the meaning of that. Okay, part code is having 20801. Okay, how to identify this object? What is the number first? Okay, first digit is having different part length and diameter ratio. Okay, second is having external shape. Third is having sorry, different types of threads. Okay, no surface machining. Okay, 4 digits showing the machining process. Okay, and last is axial or whatever the manufacturing process will be there. Okay, this is one of the example of the optics part we have taken. Okay, now next example, I think this example is not here. Okay, so before that, the next example we have taken the our uh, transport from our transportation office. Okay, we get the different number for separate number of for every vehicle. Okay, MH, Kera, Q, 30 through 4, 5, whatever that. Oh, what is the name? What is the meaning of that? Okay, what is the first meaning is having from which state? Okay, second number is having which batch? Okay, MH, Kera is nothing but the whatever the Solapur district. Okay, MH after that the alphabetical numbers are there. Okay, A, Q, B, C, D. Okay, now in that district, from which RTO region they have taken vehicle. Okay, or from which year. Okay, year is also important. Okay, म्हणजे बघा तुम्ही कधी whenever you will go to the any showroom. Okay, any bike showroom. Okay, for the reused bikes. Okay, now according to the number they will get an idea. Okay, this vehicle, what is the date of manufacturing? Okay, what is the date of passing of that vehicle? Okay, according to that number plate also. Okay, after that the numerical value is there. Okay, in that RTO region, in that Pandharpur taluka or Mahishiras taluka. Okay, whatever the vehicles are there. Okay, and that number is again attached to the chassis number. Okay, attached to the engine number. Okay, this is the relation in between. Okay, suppose we are having one application. Okay, given by the government. Okay, so I think what is the name of that application? I have forgotten that. Okay, suppose if you take an example of okay, DigiLocker is one of the application. Okay, governed by the our government. Okay, DigiLocker. Okay, now DigiLocker is having different our personal documents are. Okay, is it right? For example, if you identify, if we require identify one vehicle, okay, from which area? Okay, now according to the that number, if you enter that number in whatever the storage, okay, the overall information will be also there. Okay, if you put your RC book number, okay, vehicle RC book number in PC or that application, okay, from the RTO region, okay, you will get all the information of that vehicle. Okay, whatever the chassis number, whatever the color, okay, whatever the engine number, okay, whatever the year of manufacturing, okay, whatever the what is the insurance detail, okay, who is the owner, okay, or who is the buyer of that industry, okay, who is the financier, Okay, now all these requirement will be added in different digit. Okay, will be added in different digit. Now this is the importance of that all digit. Okay, now this is a example of the codification and classification. Okay, now what are the advantages and classification and codification? Okay, these are the some advantages. Quick and easy identification. Okay, according to the different code, we can identify that whatever the product, okay, as per our requirement in industry also. Proper material control. Okay, proper material control. Suppose if you working in industry also. Okay, now by using that codification, the time will also reduce. Okay, whatever the material selection, whatever the operation will be there. Okay, the lead time, okay, definitely will be affected. Okay, now secrecy of material. Okay, now secrecy of material is nothing but the whatever the material. Okay, according to material. For example, one code is for the ferrous material, for the second is for steel. Okay, third number digit is for the whatever the non-ferrous material there, composite material will be there. Okay, now to identify that material, okay, this is also important. Okay, whatever the temperature, okay, whatever the maximum temperature point, what is the lower temperature point. Okay, this type also according to the material is also advantages of this classification and codification. Saving in material handling time, definitely. Okay, we can't take wrong material. Okay, why? According to codification, we can take that material. Okay, now the elimination of the chances of the wrong issues. Okay, definitely elimination of the chances of the wrong issues. Why? म्हणजे असं होत नाही बघा कधी म्हणजे सपोज इन गॅरेज. ओके, जर आपण घरी जर गाडी आपण सर्व्हिसिंग करत असू स्वतः, तर आपल्याला एका त्या नट बोल्ट साठी किती 2-3 स्पॅनल असलेले आपण युज करतो. ओके, पण गॅरेज मध्ये जर तुम्ही गेला तर मिस्त्री काय करतो त्याला माहिती असते त्याला कुठला स्पॅनल बसतो. वाय? According to coding and according to his experience, okay, they will manage. Okay, due to that the definite time will be reduced. Okay, this is also elimination of different chances or wrong issues will be there. Okay, different also in chemical industry. Okay, suppose if in chemical industry or in pharmaceutical industry, okay, different types of chemicals are there. Okay, very whatever the different types of chemicals are there. Okay, flammable chemicals are also there. Okay, very hazardous or dangerous chemicals are there. Okay, reaction may happen also very dangerous. Okay, for that purpose that codification is also important. Okay, म्हणजे तुम्ही बघितलं असेल बघा whenever you will be in 12th standard, okay, or in diploma first year, okay, chemistry, physics, whatever the practicals will be there. Okay, now that time different chemicals we have studied. Okay, म्हणजे प्रत्येकाकडून काय चुका झाल्या असेल, कोण कशात काय मेसेज येते, बरोबर का? म्हणजे काय ते डिफरंट इयर्स also definitely happen with everyone. Okay, now this is also will be reduced. Okay, due to the classification and codification. Okay, now again advantages and disadvantages or merits of group technology. Okay, see here already we have studied here. Okay, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir, you're
so
audible.
merits and demerits of the group technology. Okay, codification classification is also one of the part of group technology. Okay, part family is also group technology. Merits, reduction in number of drawing and documents. Okay, reduction in setup and production time. Okay, definitely due to the group technology. Okay, identification of that product is also important. Okay, drawing also number of drawing will also reduce. Okay, why? Because of in group technology industry will focus on whatever the singular product, okay, or whatever the limited product. Okay, for that purpose the drawing will also and documentation is also easy. Okay, now reduction in setup and production time. Okay, reduction in setup and production time is also another merit. Okay, improved machining loading. Okay, machine loading. Reduction in work in progress. Okay, reduction in manufacturing lead time. Better output quality. Okay, process planning and process scheduling are simplified. Okay, whatever the process planning is nothing but whatever the methodology. Okay, and production scheduling is nothing but the timetable. Okay, that is this will also get simplified. Standardization of tooling, fixtures, and setup is also encouraged. Okay. Material handling is reduced. Tooling, fixtures, and setup. Okay, what is tooling? Tooling is different types of manufacturing tools are there. Okay. Measurement tools are there also. Okay. For the analysis. Fixtures are there. Okay. Jigs and fixtures are there. Is the way to manufacture, what is the way to keep your product. Okay, suppose you want to manufacture one circular wall, okay, in lathe machine, okay, any circular product will be there. Okay, so what is the procedure? Okay, first of all you will take charge of that industry. Okay, if you enter that lathe machine, okay, near to the lathe machine, okay, what is the procedure? The main switch will be there. Okay, whatever the raw material will be there. Okay, now this type of scheduling or the process, okay, setup. Now setup will also give definitely healthy for the group technology. Okay, now material handling is reduced. Parts removed within machine sell rather than the entire factory. Okay, process planning and production scheduling are simplified. Work in progress and manufacturing lead time are also reduced. Improved worker satisfaction in group technology sale. Okay, higher quality will be get with the help of group technology. Okay, now some demerits are also there for the demerit group technology. Okay, high cost of implementation. Okay, a large number of code for the variety of the components. Okay, now this is very difficult to identify for the match. Okay, but this codification, keep in mind, we are studying the CAD. Okay, we are studying the CAD. Only machine language we are studying. Okay, we are the input for that machine. Okay, machine will identify this code number. Okay, but this is somewhat difficult for the human being. Okay, because number 1 to 9. Okay, the near about 10 factors are there. Okay, now for the remembering is also somewhat difficult. Okay, in previous slide we have studied the I will show here one chart is there. Okay, optic chart is there. Okay, now this is very difficult to keep in mind for the math. Okay, but machine can handle this. Okay, machine can handle this. Now for that purpose the this is included in the disadvantages. Okay, and this was very difficult for the human being. Okay, म्हणजे हे पाठ करायचं अवघड आहे थोडं. म्हणजे लास्ट टाइम ऑल्सो यू रिमेंबर इट काय म्हणतात रे ते 12वी मध्ये चार्ट केमिकल मटेरियल चार्ट इज देअर. Okay, now this is very difficult. Okay, now like that this is included in the demerits. Okay, remembering is also difficult. Wait. Demerits of the group technology. Okay, now high cost of implementation, large number of codes. Okay, for variety of component. Okay, it is not suitable for large variety of product. Okay, it is not suitable for the large variety of product. Why? Because codification is difficult. Okay, somewhat difficult. Okay, variety of products. For example, if you consider nut and bolt. Okay, lot of nut and bolts are there. Okay, now how we can give the number? Okay, now suppose I will give one example. Aadhaar card number. Okay, each and every person in India. Okay, he has number. Okay, Aadhaar card number. Okay, how many of you are remembering your Aadhaar number? बघा कोणाला पाठ आहे का आधार नंबर. ओके, म्हणजे हा डिफिकल्ट. ओके, दिस इज वॉट सम आउट टिपिकल. ओके, बिकॉज द व्हरायटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स आर देअर. ओके, व्हरायटी ऑफ पीपल आर देअर. ओके, नंबर इज ऑल्सो फिक्स. म्हणजे आधार नंबरवरून माणसाला ओळखणं अवघड आहे ना. ड्यू टू दॅट द मशीन्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, म्हणजे जर सीएससी सेंटर मध्ये गेला तर तिचा आधार कार्ड नंबर टाकला की तुमची डिटेल तिथे येत असेल. ओके, प्रत्येक माणसावरून तुम्ही लक्ष ठेवता का नाही. ओके, मॅक्झिमम. Okay, if your brain is strong, okay, maximum 4 to 10 to 15 number mobile number will also remember. Okay, म्हणजे बघा आपले किंवा आपल्या कुटुंबातले जास्तीत जास्त आपण मोबाईल नंबर पाठ करू शकतो. Okay, or will be also remember right. Okay, now this is somewhat difficult for the variety product. Okay, whenever the lot of products are there. Okay, different nut and bolt. Okay, there is number of nut and bolt. Okay, to give the number this is also difficult. Now next demerit, identifying the part family. Okay, identifying the part family according to the that digit. Okay, if the parts make 10,000 different parts, reviewing all the parts drawing and grouping the parts into families is substantial task. Definitely, whenever the lot of parts are there, okay, this will also some difficult. Rearranging product machines, okay, in plant to the appropriate machines. Rearranging also there. म्हणजे बघा तुम्हाला एक 100 नट बोल्ट तुमच्या समोर टाकले आणि त्याचा नंबर बघून सिक्वेन्स लावा म्हटलं ओके ते सुद्धा अवघड आहे ना दिस विल गेट ऑल्सो मॅक्झिमम टाइम okay this is also demerit now it takes time to plan and accomplish this rearrangement okay and the machines are not producing during the changeover okay machines are not producing during the changeover okay now this is also time take it takes time to plan and accomplish this rearrangement rearrangement is also difficult okay while the machines are not producing the changeover okay 1 minute so now one point machines are not producing during the changeover. What is changeover? Okay, whenever you will change the machines. Okay, now this is also somewhat difficult. Okay, which tool is suitable for that machine? Okay, from this lot of or whatever the number of that product will be also maximum. Okay, now how we can identify that? Okay, this will get also somewhat difficult. This is also demerits of the group technology. Okay, now today we have finished the group technology. Okay, after the demerits. Okay, now next point is the computer aided process planning. Okay, in actually whatever the manufacturing process. Okay, what is the relation in between machine and the manufacturing technology? Okay, now this is very interesting article. Okay, in next lecture we will study this article. Okay, so I think only 5 minutes are remaining. So I will take attendance. Okay, is anyone doubt? Please ask me. Okay, so I require. Okay. So stop the recording. Okay, I will take attendance.